Guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to another new release video. I haven't done one of these in a little while, but I have a ton of new releases in my shop today. And if you stick around to the end of this video, I'm going to give you a coupon code that you can use this week only to get some money off if you are interested in planner stickers. But let's just jump right in so I can show you guys all the new releases. I do want to mention these are on our new matte paper, and you guys, the quality, just like the colors and everything are just so much more vibrant on this paper. I love it. So anyway, just so you know, if you guys order from my shop now, there's a new matte paper, but I think it's a much better quality paper and the price isn't changing at all, so that's good. But anyway, all right, enough rambling. We're just gonna get started because we have a ton of things to show you. Okay, the first thing I have is this watermelon monthly kit, or it's a July monthly kit, but it's a watermelon themed. And I usually come out with this July monthly, like every July, every year. I love this clip art. I think watermelon just makes me think of July for some reason. So, also, I don't think I've shown you guys, we have a new logo also. But yeah, so this is for the Erin Condren. We obviously have it for the classic Happy Planner as well. I'll show you guys that one in a minute. But this is our first monthly option. It's just, where can I put this? Here, we'll put that there. And then the second monthly option is a 4th of July themed one. And I always do 4th of July in July, obviously. I'm not a huge fan of 4th of July kits just because I feel like it's so much red and blue. But I do really like, I like it, it's just a lot of red and blue. So normally I would go with the watermelon. Also because I don't like doing kits for like one holiday for like the entire month. Does that make sense? Anyway, but we have an option if you guys like to decorate for 4th of July for the entire month of July. And this is kind of, it's just the same layout as the other one. It just has, you know, your red and blues and whatnot. So those are the two options for July monthly kits, and these were the EC ones. Now I'm going to show you guys the Happy Planner ones. So the format for Happy Planners has not changed, so you get a little bit more patterns in the Happy boxes just because they're not like one big box, but other than that it's pretty much the same, just in a smaller size for the Happy Planner. And then you have your watermelon kit. So yeah, love it. Okay, now we're gonna talk about collections. I have 3 collections. A collection is basically a full kit, mini kit, and then the optional glitter headers. So I'm gonna start out, I don't know, I was gonna start out with my favorite one, but I think I'll start out, I won't do my favorite one. I'll do this one. Oops, showing you the glitter headers there, sorry. So we have a watermelon kit. I actually changed up the watermelon clip art this year, and I didn't use the same one as the July monthly just because I wanted to switch things up, and this was a new collection by a shop and I really liked the clip art. I just think it's like simple, not like too bright and in your face, but it's still very pretty. So you have the full boxes. The full box says you're one in a melon. Then you have your ombre checklist, you have your like half boxes, bill dues, washi strips, checklists, work labels, movie sticker, some flags. Also, I have a question about this page. Would you guys rather have the bigger, thicker washi back, or do you like the 2 separate washies? Let me know, because I like the 2 separate washies, but I can also see why people wouldn't. So maybe I can make that like an extra add-on type thing, just have like thicker washi. I don't know. Let me know in the comments below how you feel about that. Then you have your headers and sidebar stuff in another full box. Then you have your little things and washi strips, date dots, and like hydrate. You guys, you've seen the format of my kits. I don't know why I'm going over it. This cute little weekend banner, I love it. And then all your functional stuff. So that is the watermelon full kit. And if you shop on the website, you can actually purchase any of these sheets a la carte, but that's only on the website. It's not on Etsy. You can't purchase things separately on Etsy. It's all bundled together. But on the website for the full kit, you can purchase all the sheets separately if you want, or you can just buy it all together. Next, we have the mini kit, which has the same full boxes, your like functional stuff, and then your one strip of washi. Again, I want to know, would you rather have like a big thicker strip of washi, especially in mini kits because you don't get that second one, or do you like it this way? Let me know in the comments below, because I want to make kits that fit your guys' needs as well. So let me know, mini kit users, let me know what you're thinking. Because I mean, the nice thing is you can purchase the extra sheet that has more washi, but would you rather it just be thicker washi? Let me know. All right, next up is a kit that we had last year. This is our ocean themed kit. This is a reformat from last year. I love these photos, you guys, and I don't even know if the camera's doing this justice for the colors, but I love these photos. I think they're beautiful and they just make me want to go to the beach, and I don't even really like the beach. So the full box says every seashell has a story. Again, it's just your basic full box, or I mean, full kit layout. I really like this color, you guys. I just think it's so pretty, the washi together. Yeah, the colors in this kit. I mean, I don't really care for that color as much. It's fine, but like this blue, ooh, that blue. So that is the ocean full kit. And then we also have it in mini. Same full boxes. You have your functional sheet. You have another function. They're all just functional. But yeah, so that is the ocean collection, the full kit and mini kit. And then this may be my favorite collection from the new releases, at least this week. I really love the way that this turned out. So I decided to go ahead and get a head start on 4th of July. Look at those full boxes, you guys. I don't even know, like the camera I'm sure is not picking up the colors as vibrant as they are, but I love this kit. I can't wait to use it. So it just says happy 4th of July. This one says happy birthday America. And then I used a girl with like some fireworks back here. And the American flag. I just love it. I love it, love it, love it. So here you have your what am I trying to say, like functional stuff. Then we have our washi. I love this bow washi. It has like little stars in the back. It's so cute. And then I have the, what are these, headers and like sidebar stuff. And then I also included this full box. I know people like the different skin tones, but I didn't want to like offer like separate boxes, like add-on boxes, so I figured this was an extra full box, so I would put that there for anybody who wants like a different skin tone if they didn't want like the other one on the full box page. And then we have our little things, washi strips, functional. Look at how cute this little weekend banner is with the cupcakes. Now I want a cupcake. The struggle is real. And then this, I actually took out the half boxes and I added some deco because I know some people really like deco, but this is only gonna be in the full kit. There's no deco in the mini. So, but again, if you order on the website, you could purchase this sheet separately and add it to the mini if you wanted. And then your ombre check boxes. Guys, I still can't get over how beautiful this kit is. And then we also have it in the mini version. It's same full boxes as before. And then you don't get that cute bow washi, but you do get like the firework washi. Okay, so ignore this. I don't know if you guys can see there was some malfunction with like some of these stickers. Obviously I'm not selling this sheet, but I wanted to show you guys the layout of the kit. But yeah, apparently I had a malfunction with some of the stickers. That was fun. And again, like, it was the gray outline. I forgot to uncheck it. So yeah. But that just goes to show that sometimes making stickers, it's not all rainbows and butterflies. But I did want to keep this in here just to show you the format of the kit. But yeah, those are definitely going in like probably oops bags, but I don't know. I don't like to send stuff in oops bags that look like that. Like, most of the time I'll just throw it away. But yes, that is the mini kit for 4th of July. I love it so much. All right, and then the last things I'm just going to show you are the glitter headers. So we have one for the 4th of July, one for the watermelon collection, and then one for the ocean collection. So yeah, those are all of the collections that are coming out. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up if you did. So if you guys want to save money, this is only for our website, okay? This is not for Etsy, but for this weekend only. So when I put this video up, which I'm filming it on Friday, I'm putting it up on Friday, the 29th of March, it will only be good through Monday. So what is Monday? April 1st. So it'll only be good through Monday, but you can use the code new release 25, I'll put that right here, to get 25% off $10 or more. Again, it's only for Shopify, it's not for Etsy, but if you guys like anything that you've seen or you want to purchase something else that you've seen on our website, it's good for everything on the website. So you guys can use that code to save some money. Also, make sure to check out my Instagram. I'm gonna link it down below. We have a giveaway going on for $50 shop credit. So make sure that you check it out if you wanna win $50 shop credit. And yeah, I mean, who doesn't love like free stickers, free stuff, guys? So thank you guys so much for watching this video and for supporting my shop. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye, guys.
So small, watch the clock ticking off the wall, but tonight I'm letting it go.